Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with what's new in my craft room for May 2023. So during May, I really didn't do much shopping, but I did. I got the Freckled Fawn May 2023 kit, and this is what it entails. These are the papers so far. Loving the color scheme, the chipboard shapes, and the alphabets that came along with it. That is such a vivid color of purple. I don't think they've ever put one out quite that vivid before. I may be wrong, but it does. I don't remember it if they did. The die cuts, I think they're really getting better at these. There's a little bit of excess white on there, but you know, it's all good. That can be fussy cut down. The wood veneer look like sunshines maybe, or if you have someone who likes cogs and gears and wheels, and you could make it that. You could make them little, what do you call it, germs. You could do any number of things with those. The enamel dots are so pretty. They look like they go just right along. This one, not so much the blue, but those purple and the greens for sure with this background paper. The purples, the blues, the greens, all three there. And same over here, the purples and the greens maybe. But those are lovely. The labels, again, same color scheme. And then there's a roll of, and here is the washi tape. That bright, bold, vivid purple. Love that. Yeah. So that's everything that came along with my kit, right? So then y'all know, here recently I've been ordering the Doe's deals. And this month it was puffy stickers. Puffy shapes. I'm supporting small business, y'all. I don't know that it's necessarily because I love this product. But the color scheme, you can pull these in, you can pull those in, you can pull those in, those. Well, yeah, you could with those, the white and the blacks for sure, and these as well. So with this kit this month, you can add any number of these to go along as embellishments, or you know, use them with your other kits or other supplies that you decide to pull into what you're working on. So anywho, that's everything that I got with this order. I don't think I have anything else coming for May. Well, that's it, friends. Yeah, I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you watching my video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.